Beneath every forest floor, millions operate in perfect order. Each ant follows chemical trails, no central command needed. Some supercolonies span hundreds of kilometers, with billions of workers. Colonies extend up to 8 meters deep underground. Dedicated chambers house fungal gardens that feed the colony. Separate chambers keep eggs and larvae at perfect temperatures. The queen is the sole breeder, laying thousands of eggs daily. Workers groom the queen to spread her pheromones colony-wide. A queen can live 20 years and produce millions of offspring. A colony contains distinct castes with genetically set body sizes. Soldier mandibles can slice through human skin. Tiny workers ride leaf fragments to defend carriers from parasitic flies. Leafcutter ants are among the world's most sophisticated farmers. A colony strips an entire tree bare within 24 hours. They farm a fungus no other organism on Earth cultivates. Ants communicate entirely through chemical signals called pheromones. One pheromone molecule triggers a cascade of coordinated behavior. Ant traffic outperforms human highways relative to body width. Army ants link bodies to build living bridges in real time. Bridge ants hold position for hours while thousands cross above. The bridge widens and narrows based on live traffic. Army ant raids involve 700,000 workers at once. Coordinated raids subdue prey hundreds of times their own size. At night, army ants form a living nest called a bivouac. Carpenter ants excavate wood with precision rivaling engineered design. Galleries follow wood grain to preserve the tree's integrity. Disposal shafts prevent debris from collapsing the nest. Weaver ants pull living leaves together to build their nests. They use larvae as living silk dispensers to seal leaves. A mature colony maintains 30 leaf nests across multiple trees. Harvester ants store enough food to survive entire winters. Seeds are sorted by size and species to prevent germination. They sun-dry seeds to prevent fungal contamination. During floods, fire ants form a waterproof living raft within minutes. Air bubbles between bodies keep the raft afloat for weeks. Outer ants rotate inward, so no individual stays submerged too long. The exploding ant ruptures its own body to spray toxins on threats. Giant venom glands fill the abdomen for self-detonation defense. Individual sacrifice for colony survival is a core truth of ant life. A parasitic fungus hijacks ant brains, forcing death in spore locations. Infected ants bite a leaf exactly 25 centimeters above the floor. Colonies remove infected members before spores can spread internally. Many ant species farm aphids like livestock for sugary honeydew. Ants protect their aphid herds from predators in exchange for secretion. Some species shelter aphid eggs underground each winter and return them in spring. Slavemaker ants raid colonies to steal pupae that hatch as workers. Stolen ants imprint on the host scent and work without knowing captivity. Slavemaker queens cannot survive without their enslaved workers. Honeypot ants fill workers with liquid food until their abdomen becomes a vessel. Replete ants store enough nectar to survive 6-month droughts. The living pantry is one of nature's most elegant storage solutions. Ants change jobs as they age, called temporal polyethism. Older ants do the riskiest foraging, while young ants stay protected. If foragers die, the colony reassigns younger workers immediately. Ant colonies wage organized warfare with thousands of casualties. Combat involves chemical warfare, dismemberment, and coordinated flanking. Victorious colonies harvest fallen enemies for nutrients, wasting nothing. Once a year, colonies release winged queens and males for mating flight. Millions from different colonies launch simultaneously on the same day. After mating, the queen removes her wings and founds a colony alone. Fire ant mounds regulate internal temperature and gas exchange precisely. Upper tunnels act as chimneys, drawing fresh air from below. The colony holds 30 degrees Celsius, regardless of outside conditions. The largest colonies build structures bigger than most human buildings. One colony in Brazil moved 40 tons of soil during construction. No architect designed it. Millions of simple rules created this. A colony functions as one superorganism that grows and ages together. Nutrients and information pass mouth to mouth across the entire network. The trail network processes information the way neurons process thought. Every colony begins with one queen, alone, refusing to fail. She burns her wing muscles until her first daughters can forage. What she builds from nothing is the most organized society on Earth.